Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach class 6 students subject English lesson 2. In your lesson 2 you will read about breaking barriers. What is barriers? Barriers means obstruction, बाधा है. रोक, रोड़ा, obstruction, these are called barriers. How to break the barriers? This is a very important lesson and it is a true story. Never do things others can do and will do if there are things others can't do or will not do. Students, sometimes you see records are created, but we must not forget that records are created to be broken. Today or tomorrow, the records will be broken. And it is called history. These words were spoken by Amelia Earhart. What were the words? Never do things others can do and will do. You will have to create a history. You will have to do an act that can't be copied, that can't be surpassed, that can't be done by others. You will not do such a thing that will be repeated by others. It means your effort will always be to do an extraordinary thing that will make you an exemplary for others. And these were the words spoken by Amelia Earhart. Amelia Earhart was the first woman aviator. Aviator means pilot. So Amelia Earhart was the first woman pilot to fly, who flew solo means alone across the Atlantic Ocean. Amelia Earhart created a history by flying alone across the Atlantic Ocean. And the first person ever to fly solo from Hawaii to US. Amelia Earhart was the first person to fly across the Atlantic Ocean, and she crossed from Hawaii to US mainland. Do you know what was the distance? Hawaii is a Pacific state, means it is an island which is situated in Pacific Ocean. It is situated in Pacific Ocean. And what is the distance between Hawaii to US mainland? 2100 miles. The distance between Hawaii and US mainland is 2100 miles. Students, you know 1 mile equal to 1.609 kilometer. It means approximately 3,379 kilometer she crossed alone for the first time, and she created a history. She also wrote many books about her flying experiences and was involved in the formation of an organization especially for female pilots. At that time, there were few female pilots. No woman wanted to be a pilot. At that time, she created a history. In this lesson, we will read about a real story about a flying officer whose name was Avani Chaturvedi. Students, Avani Chaturvedi also created a history in India. She belongs to Rewa district in MP, Madhya Pradesh. Avani Chaturvedi belongs to Rewa district in Madhya Pradesh. And see how she became a flying officer, and she became the first Indian woman to fly a fighter aircraft all by herself. So by flying a fighter aircraft, she created history. February 19, 2018. On this day, the history was created by Avani Chaturvedi. The sky was clear. The sky was cloudless. The weather was perfect. A supersonic fighter jet. Students, supersonic. Supersonic means whose speed is faster than the sound. So you can't imagine what would be the speed of a supersonic fighter jet. So a supersonic fighter jet MiG-21 Bison. What was its name? MiG-21 Bison. MiG-21 Bison took off Udan Bhara from the Jamnagar Air Force Station in Gujarat. In Gujarat, Jamnagar Air Force Station is situated, and from Jamnagar Air Force Station, the supersonic fighter jet MiG-21 Bison took off. The flight lasted about 30 minutes. For 30 minutes continuously the flight lasted, and then the jet circled back to land safely once again at the Jamnagar Air Force Station. For the first time, a lady pilot whose name was Avani Chaturvedi flew off this supersonic MiG-21 Bison fighter jet. The sortie means a flight by a single military aircraft. The sortie was like other, that is carried out every day as a part of routine training. Students, daily the pilots do these things because it is a part of their training. It is a routine training. The pilots fly their fighter jet. So, this was the first solo flight by flying officer Avani Chaturvedi, At the age of 24, she did this. And she became the first Indian woman to fly a solo sortie on a fighter aircraft. And for the first time, being a woman pilot, she did this. And by doing this, she created history in India. Avani Chaturvedi, Bhavana Kant, and Mohana Singh were India's first batch of women fighter pilots. They were three. One is Avani Chaturvedi, second is Bhavana Kant, and third one is Mohana Singh. These three Indian women fighter pilots were commissioned, means were appointed into the Indian Air Force in 2016. In 2016, these three pilots were appointed in Indian Air Force in 2016. Just a year before, it means in 2015, the government had decided to admit women pilots in the fighter stream. For the first time, it was the decision of the government. The decision was taken by the government in 2015 to give scope to women pilots to fly the fighter jet. And it was be on a trial basis for 5 years. So it was decided that for 5 years it would be on trial basis. And if they succeeded, then permanently the women pilots would be appointed for the fighter jets. Women from a very small part of nearly 1.4 million strong Indian armed force. In 1.4 million Indian armed force, only females were very few. And this is what makes Avani's achievement all the more remarkable. And in this situation, her achievement was unique. Her achievement really needs a credit. It was praiseworthy. And we can feel proud having such type of women pilots like Avani Chaturvedi. So what was the experience? What was the feeling of Avani Chaturvedi when she sat in the cockpit of fighter jet MiG-21 Bison? Because she was alone. I have discussed it. Solo sortie means she was alone. No co-pilot, no assistant. She was completely alone. So what was her feeling when she was asked, when I sit in the cockpit and close the cockpit cover? Cockpit, a compartment where the pilot sits, Chalak ka sthan. When in the pilot's compartment, the pilot sat, it means Avani Chaturvedi sat, and the cockpit was covered. Any feelings of achievements? ना तो achievements की feelings, ना empowerment की feelings. Empowerment means सशक्तिकरण की feelings, and so on are left on the ground. There was no other feeling was with Avani Chaturvedi. Whatever the feelings she had earlier, she left all her feelings on the ground. जमीन पर सारे फीलिंग्स को वो छोड़ दी, क्योंकि वक्त नहीं था कोई भी फीलिंग्स उसके पास आने के लिए, क्योंकि सुपरसोनिक MiG-21 Bison का स्पीड इतनी ज़्यादा था कि और कोई सोच दिमाग में आ ही नहीं सकता है. The aircraft is so fast and the time to react to any situation is so little that we don't have time to think about anything else. So I have discussed it. There was no time to think about other things. because the speed of the supersonic jet was so fast, faster than the sounds. When she was asked, when Avani Chaturvedi was asked what was going through her mind as she pushed the jet to 700 kilometers per hour, when she flew the fighter jet, when she flew MiG-21 Vision at 700 kilometer speed per hour, then what was her feeling? What was she thinking? On Avani's second sortie, जब दोबारा उसको मौका मिला, of the day during the training, there was a warning as she was preparing to take off. When she decided to take off MiG-21 Vision, suddenly she was instructed not to land. Immediately she decided to abort the takeoff, to cancel the takeoff. That day I realized how the decision made in a split second. पल भर में कैसे डिसीजन लिया जाता है, उस दिन अवनी चतुर्वेदी को रियलाइज हुआ. And the situation under control or push it out of control. पल भर में it would be under control or it would be out of control. अगर आपने ठीक से डिसीजन ले लिया तो the jet would be under your control. If you don't take decision suddenly, then your MiG-21 Vision would not be under control. It would be out of your control. So it was her feeling that if I delayed my decision, had I delayed my decision to cancel take off, अगर मैंने टेक ऑफ करने के लिए ये जो डिसीजन मैंने अगर थोड़ा सा लेट करता, द कंसिक्वेंस वुड हैव बीन डिजास्टरस, तो नतीजा भयावह होता. इट मीन्स suddenly then and there you will have to make up your mind, you will have to decide, you will have to take the decision, and taking decision is very crucial, is very important. So you can't think other things can't touch your mind, other things can't come to you, other feelings can't touch you. The Indian Air Force has a 3-stage process. How many stages? 3-stage process. Three-stage process. Three-stage process of training. What is the first stage? In first stage, pilots have to practice flying in a basic aircraft for 55 hours. 55 hours in a basic aircraft. And second stage, they have to practice flying for 87 hours. 87 hours in an advanced jet. In an advanced jet. And after the first and second stage, the trainees who are getting the training are separated into streams. It means according to what they will be flying, they will be categorized after the first stage and second stage of the training, whether they would fly helicopter or transport planes or fighter jets. They will have to decide. And if they choose the fighter jets, then third stage would be started. And in third stage, 145 hours of training in jet planes. In jet planes, you will have to get the training of 145 hours. It means you will have to fly the jet for 145 hours. Then after, you can be trained to fly the jet plane. Okay? The type of aircraft of the pilots train on depends on the squadron to which they belong. स्क्वाड्रन मीन्स वायुसेना का टुकड़ी. ये उस पर भी डिपेंड करता है कि कौन सा फाइटर जेट आपको दिया जाएगा. Avani said that the progress from the advanced jet trainers to MiG-21 is gradual. And there is a structured syllabus. There would be a proper syllabus. And in a syllabus wise, in a structure wise, you will get the training. And so that you can become an operational pilot. So you can operate a jet plane. She started her advanced training in July 2016. Her training started when? July 2016, and training ended October 2017. Then she got posted to number 23 squadron. तो उनको कौन सा स्क्वाड्रन मिला? 23 स्क्वाड्रन. और 23 स्क्वाड्रन जो उनको मिला, स्क्वाड्रन, ये 23 स्क्वाड्रन के जिम्मे में था MiG-21 Bison. So those pilots would belong to 23 squadron. They would be given chance to fly MiG-21 Bison. So being in this squadron, Avani Chaturvedi got chance to fly MiG-21 Bison. It took almost 4 months to go solo. अकेले चलाने के लिए उनको एक्स्ट्रा 4 months समय लगा. The time taken to fly a solo sortie varies from person to person and also depends on a lot of other factors. ये बहुत सारे चीज पर डिपेंड करता है, वेदर आप कितने समय में आप प्रॉम्प्ट हो सकते हैं अकेले चलाने के लिए कोई फाइटर जेट को. She added that her course mates, the other 2 women pilots, I have already discussed, they were also getting the training. And my next goal is, what was her goal? What was her aim? To become a full-fledged, means perfect operational pilot. So it was the aim of Avani Chaturvedi to become a perfect operational pilot. So students, it is a real story, and really she is an inspiration for millions and millions of women. And we must learn that if she can do, then why not others? So it is all about breaking barriers. So students, in my next video, I will teach you a poem. Thank you.